Woo. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to the stream. It is Thursday. It's the first day of Jackson Hole. How's everybody? We are ready to rumble. Bum ba dum bum ba dum ba dum. We're looking like we're selling off again right now. I have ES and Nasdaq. Um, Probably gonna have to look for sells. I mean, I'm definitely bearish. What did you guys vote? Mostly bearish as well. Hello. Willkommen. Welcome to the stream. Cracking knuckles. Let's get crack-a-lacking. Let me just see what would happen if I added like I have my Ninja Trader also opened up on my Mac. Let me just see what would happen if I try to add another window here on the stream. Window capture. What would that look like? Doesn't even show up. All right. Show windows. Okay. Doesn't show the middle of the chart, so I'd have to show my other screen or something at that time. Alright, that's fine. Put that on desktop too. That on desktop too. Okay. Everything's fine. So we have open in like 4 minutes. I had the 4-hour open. And this just looks bearish. This was an hourly FEG on ES. ES tapped into this 4-hour and Nasdaq didn't come back to this overnight. By the way, I mean, I looked later on in the day. There was a nice long after like I don't know 11 something, literally after like I don't know after the AM session, like after the London close, it was 11. Finally, that 3-minute inverted, right? And then there was a nice buy. Who got like longs later on in the afternoon. I was happy to see that. Like I just said, I don't care if I miss it, but it was nice to see that actually played out, right? So I wouldn't go for any longs unless this 3-minute inverted, and that's nice little long, then a pullback. Never came back up to like pre-market highs or anything. Like it's too weak. So honestly, I'm pretty. I mean, what happened to the camera quality? Oh, I'm in Europe right now, so I'm just using my webcam right now on my MacBook Pro because I brought like a nice mirrorless DSLR, but I figured like I'd rather the connection be quick and I'd rather not in case if I connect my nice camera to my computer, then like more of it can indirectly be using more of my computer for that rather than for like fast upload speed for the stream. That's why. Sucks because I like packed a bunch of stuff, you know. Like all in all, Most important thing is the speed, like the stream quality. So whatever. Anyway, next. What am I thinking about? I'm thinking about I can't get distracted right now. Yesterday I was a bit distracted there, so let's not get distracted. Opens right now. Gotta make sure I watch the any first presented fair value gaps. Honestly, I'm fine with trying some shorts. I mean, we have 9:45 news, but it's fine. Like, I'd be okay with taking a trade before then. We're dropping like an egg, like a rock, right? Let's see here. 9:30, 9:45. We have some news. I like mark out previous day low. I definitely want to keep it on the 15 for a little bit to see if there's any SMTs. I am bearish bias, as is most of the chat. Oh, what's up? Hi, Tori. How are you? She's back. Yeah. Yeah. I'm literally. I even had the thought to stream outside, but it's so hot here, so I'd rather be in the AC. Mrs. Worldwide right now. I'm still not home in New York, but might as well get involved in the markets. Like it looks like the volatility is back a bit. Let's see. We're looking at the 15 to see if there was any sort of divergence, which no, not yet. On the 1, I'm gonna go and just mark out if there what the first. Really, that open was like a splat down. That was wild. All right. You guys didn't hit pre-market low yet. $9:45 news. And we also have Jackson Hole today. Let's see here. Forex Factory. What is today? Today's Thursday. Flash services PMI 3:45 p.m. Existing hold, which is at 9:45 a.m. Eastern, and then existing hold and sales is at 10 a.m. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, you guys missed me? I missed you too. I miss streaming. So fun. Well, sometimes it's chill. It's been pretty chill. I went to the beach today, this morning. Actually, I went at like noon. Right now it's 3:30 p.m. It's so weird trading in the afternoon for the New York morning session right now. Ah, so scary. No, I'm just joking. What am I looking for? Honestly, I gotta write that down. I'm bearish mostly. I'd rather see an SMT at the highs than a drop. Not yet. Even SMT at the lows. I mean, ugh, wouldn't it be annoying if like today is bullish? That would be kind of annoying. The 4 hour is red. This current 4 hour that ends in about 25 minutes. I mean, I think it's gonna end red. I don't see why we're not gonna just continue lower. It tried to rally in the afternoon. Couldn't even take out like pre-market, like yesterday's like 9:30 open or pre-market highs. So I just gotta pick and choose my spots where I want to short though. And most likely I would like it to be after some kind of divergence at a high. London high, pre-market high, whatever it is. So far, you just have people that are bullish, they've got their SMT there. I'm just not bullish looking at the 4 hour right now. So I'm gonna like write all that down to make sure I don't stray. Where did I put my, I should have brought I have my trading notebook in my backpack. It's fine. Let's think. Short NQ SMT at highs, and then bearish market structure shift. That's probably what I want to see. Why do I look like I've been arrested with all due respect? What does that even mean, brother? What does that even mean, though? It's wild. The background is green, though. And deadass have a light here I brought. Should I go less bright? The light, there we go. It's a little less bright now. It's better for me. It's distracting me. There's SMT right now. Just on the 1 minute, but I mean, it's fine. It's what the hourly look like right now on both of these. Yeah. This is an hourly. This isn't hourly. Someone said, oh, there's only been something about 5 consecutive down days on NASDAQ. Okay. I don't know. When I start looking at too much statistics, I feel like that's just gonna sway my bias too much. Just going off of that is too bleh. It's not enough for me to want to go long. I'm just taking a gander on this 15. You literally just keep having it. It keeps falling bearish structure, so just highlight that. 15-minute here. 1 minute. You do have an SMT there on the 1. Also. Probably look for shorts soon. Let's see, we'll find out, we'll find out. This is a 1 minute low. See if we break that. And have FEG, and then I'll short in there and then target more sell side. I mean, I got previous days low, probably more. Probably more too, because of the thought process of where I think towards the end of the week, and I think that we'll go for more sell side. Anyway, let's see. That's a bullish. All right, I'll keep that up there. ES. It's only 941. Yeah, I'm waiting to see kind of if this gets broken, this low. That'd be good. Then I'd probably look for a short. Well, keep an eye on ES. If ES kind of starts like if it breaks this high, then I'll put an alert there. And obviously then that SMT is not valid anymore. So gotta just wait until to see if that low gets broken. I'll mark out previous day low. We have news in 2 minutes, so we'll see what's popping. What's the oof? Heat map looking red. Red. All right. Creeping back higher right now. We'll see. What's up? Reminder, thank you. bullish. Tanya, just long. We not going down today, says Christopher Khalil. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What am I gonna do? Someone in the chat told me just long. Is that financial advice? Shit. Oh no. Oh no. What do I got? Oh, here's the news. I would love it if we drop there. Drop lower. Leave a nice FEG, that would be nice. Just like go for yesterday's low. At least. I would think down to here. Oh my god, we're dropping a lot. We already hit new low of day. ES dropping. It's fine. Let's see where this FEG takes, like, does. I gotta map it out. Where's the guy that just told me just long, like 2 minutes ago? Where are you? Where'd he go? Yeah, it's like a large stop you'd have to have, but you just go with smaller sizing, just one. And it's still good RR. And don't forget there's 10 a.m. news. Also, what you could do is probably just map this out, this to here to here. And honestly, let's see, well, actually, this isn't even done. It's like such a large stop. We dropped a lot. From the news, we dropped like 60 something points, right? 68 points. All right, I just hit sell. So here we are. See, my entry is 218. I'm in it. Already in some hot water. My stop's right this high, 70.25. Right there. Yeah. This high. And then I would go for the previous day low, which is, yeah, I would go for here. 31.75. All right. I'm underwater. I'm under negative like 20 points. That's fine though. Let me see how I can share my NinjaTrader on my Mac here. Doesn't really matter, but I have it on the trading view, but still. Not everyone loves to see it. go up and down. 1875 is my fill. I'm in this short right now. And I'm chilling. I know that like this could scare you. I don't care. I've seen it plenty of times where, yeah, you have a large drop down, then you have a large push up, and then it slowly drops back down or drops back down, whatever it is. This is my stop loss there. It's getting close there, but my stop is the swing high. Didn't get there. In the meanwhile, I'm on my OBS, gonna see if I can add my window capture. I can do this, and I can add just my display capture. Yeah, I think I did it. Just, oh my god, sorry. Let me put that order, send, move to bottom. And then screen fit. What is it? Transform, fit to screen. And now move up or something. I'm still in the trade. Now I'm negative 18 points. Yeah, what would happen if I do this? Yeah, I think I'm good now. Let's see, did that work? How's that look, Fernando? This is my screen, my Ninja Trader screen. See if I get... I'm still in the trade. Stops at that high. See, we'll see, we'll see. Make this bigger. Oh my gosh. Okay. Did it work? Is it good, Castillo? How does it look? Send me a picture. Do not read the chat too much, boss. You will get distracted. That's funny. I know. I always get distracted. Am I good now, though? There we go. Oh, we're back in my entry. It's good. We're Gucci. Yay. All right, we're good. What did ES do then? It also didn't take out its high. I like that it paused at the 930 open ES. It didn't go back to it. I don't think on NASDAQ oh yeah, it is. Okay. It is marked out there. To be honest, yeah, it certainly just feels like that's what it's doing. It's just, I don't love this short. I mean, yeah, it seems like yesterday was easier. No, remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I don't care. Remind me tomorrow. I'm gonna like go nuts about that. Pick a time. What happens if I click pick a time? Why am I getting bullied by this freaking update thing right now? I'm in a trade. Jeez. Remind me tomorrow. This is a meme. Someone's gonna clip this shit. No. Okay. A dictionary. I didn't ask to look that up. This is like legit my screen you guys are watching right now. Remind me tomorrow. Now I'm finally in profit. 7 points, 8 points. Remind me tomorrow. What? I swear if I click pick a time, if I click pick a time, you guys, like, is it gonna open up a whole ass thing and crash my computer? The equalizer my stop is looks dangerous. Yeah, well, it didn't hit it, so. It will not. No, it says no. It's not gonna restart in 4 minutes. It's scary. I have to click pick a time. It's bothering me. And this is, I don't know. Okay, schedule, whatever that is. And by the way, I'm on my Mac. This is a parallels thing. Hopefully now it stops bullying me. All right. Phew. I'll look at yes, previous day low. I'll put a little thing there. All right. See how it goes. You see, we stayed chill during this pop up, by the way, and I was making sure I can show my little Ninja Trader position. Let's make sure I show ES so I can take a look. See, it seriously does feel like it's just doing this annoying ass thing, like which is, oh, by the way, wait, my TP needs to be 035. Damn, I'm dumb. No wonder. It's like, what's happening there? Whatever. But, you know, depending on the structure, I might change it. 035. Yeah, I kind of like that. But to be honest, when I do that, when I put this huge TP, then sometimes this, okay, there we go. Yeah, nice. Let's see some new low of day already, bro. Like, I'm You know, we did the big girl, big boy thing, which is get short in this massive drop down, hold through that pop back up. Didn't get stopped out because I put the stop at the swing high. You know, if you put a stop at the candle, the 945 candle high, would have gone stopped out. We have 1 minute until 10 a.m. news. I hope I don't get stopped out, famous lost words, but I hope it just keeps dropping lower. We have 10 a.m. new home sales, which can be like, it's a orange folder, but it can be big. Can be pretty good. Come on, give me a piece of the pie. Yeah. There we go, we're drowning. New low day for NASDAQ and ES. Not yet on ES. I swear, if we get like a little FAFO, like pop back up, I'm gonna be like, be pissed. I really hate it if these trades, like, you know, first off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pretty much 7, 8 minutes I was in drawdown. And I was in profit for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Came back to my break even. I don't really love it when the structure's like this. Keeping my stop though, like what happened? I said, I literally wrote it down on a napkin because I didn't want to go get my journal. I wrote short NQ SMT at highs, then bearish market structure shift. There was an SMT at the highs, and then bearish market structure shift, and I shorted there, so. It went to 1R. It went to new low day. Now I don't know what the hell ES is doing, to be honest with you. Can we not do that? What was I doing? 166.75 would have been 1R, and it did get there for like half second during that 10 a.m. news. Bruh, so I said drop it, and it did, and we now are reversing. You're so disappointing. Yes, it's taking out that SMT. It's such a red flag right now. Now we have SMTs at the lows of ES and hit that new low day. I don't know, that news must have been bullish. I really hate that that happened on ES, and now we're back above. This. We fucked up too much, NASDAQ. No, no, no. What time is it? 10? Swept that low. Yeah, I really just don't like this trade anymore. Might close it soon. Might close it. If it doesn't close me out, it takes me out already. Just not quick enough. I want to weigh more though. Market doesn't want to keep dropping. We'll see, we'll see. It's already an ugly structure today. I'm pissed off that we took out that low there. Why do we have to do this? Made that, like, I can literally see other people's longs. I might end up flipping long. We'll see. We'll see here. This 10 a.m. took out previous low, SMT inversion, you know. Kind of sucks when you get a different on the opposite side. What is this? What is this high? 69? Bro. It came 1 point from my star. What I want to mark out here is this, see if I get stopped in the next minute. What's ES doing? Are you freaking making new highs? Yeah, new high of day. I'm probably gonna get stopped here. If we get through this high with another displacement, all right, cool. I got stopped out. It's fine. Let's see here. I want to mark this out. What do we look like on that hourly now? What do we look like on the 4 hour just started? POS. All right. This is the inversion. Now you have this massive. I mean, we'll see. How did it react to this swing high? Sorry. I want to see what it looks like on my stream. All right. Let me see. Yeah. No, I'm not in a trade right now. 8 minute for reaction. All right, we have that inversion. To be honest with you, since the morning opened, what's the range right now? Kind of shitty. Like, this is not a trendy type day. I'm happy with what I did. I'm waiting for that shift short. What could I do? 1 hour it? I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Glad I just took 1 minute because the stop was just so wide. Okay. Man, it's kind of annoying. Let's see. I don't know if I want to flip, to be honest with you. Let's see. See the daily. Still bearish. This is a daily on NASDAQ. The person trying to tell me like we have 5 consecutive down days on NASDAQ. I mean, I'm not really counting this as a down day. This Monday, it's really just a tiny body candle. To me, in my head, this was a 3rd down day in a row. Let's see. I'm missing my water. I used to drink so much water on my stream. Now I'm in Europe. People don't drink water here. I'm just bearish. I can't be long in this. Sorry. For the business, there's definitely plenty of people who tried it long also who got effed over in the morning. Remember? Because ES didn't take out like pre-market lows. They probably thought that that was your SMT, and then you had this like push up. There are definitely people that were long in that or a retest of pre-market highs or whatever. And they got stopped out here during this 945 push down. So it's both sides getting beaten up a bit. Yeah, I tried this short again. Such a good RR too. Yeah, this is a 15-minute. Oh, 10 a.m. news really, what is it called? Baited me? I don't know. Really, it looked good the first 30 seconds of the minute. It bamboozled me. Made me think it looked really bearish. Yeah. Now what? We're back in a 15-minute. I hate this kind of price action. I'm kind of annoyed. I thought today would be cleaner. With 9:45 news and 10 a.m. news. So let me check Forex Factory, honestly. What the hell is the news saying? Is it like a huge difference in new home sales than expected? I typically don't even look at the numbers until now I am. So let's see. All right, well, 100,000 more than they expected home sales. And then for flash manufacturing, yeah, it's also better than expected. So honestly, yeah, it doesn't really mean anything to me. The market's just going both ways. To be honest, I think the weekly's still, yeah, it's bearish on the weekly. Yeah, I'm fine with trying the shorts. You would think Thursday is more continuation. Through this huge weekly here. Just pausing. My god, it's getting boring. Alright, I'll just have to wait then for like the daily here. The previous day high. I don't know. I don't have to wait for that, but I'll mark that out in case we do get up there. 4 hour. I didn't think that we would need to. ES already dug into this one and we rebalanced here. We dropped off again. We were not unable to hold up again. So yeah, I tried to look for more continuation there. All right. What's ES looking like on the 4 hour? What's the previous day high for ES? I have NASDAQ, like the NASDAQ 15-minute candle. Wonder how this closes. Previous day high ES. Here. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna have to wait for another SMT short. Obviously it's not doing much for me now. But my SMT was it based on the, yeah, it was based on the 1 minute. Okay. So I'm pretty sure. So whatever, it wasn't that strong. It's just versus new high of day there. Yeah, I was just I was honestly, I could have cut it when I saw that SMT. I was too slow, and I'm fine with not. Like, that's just not that big of a deal. And all be all, it's kind of being just nitpicky about things. Yeah, I don't mind that. All right, now what? What do we do today? What are we gonna do? Chat. It's fucked up. How come yesterday we go down? That's just the name of the game. Just the name of the game. I'll let you know if I try another short, but right now I don't see much else. I would want to see like a 15-minute SMT at least. Okay, I don't need this. This was from yesterday. Okay. Where's that 15-minute swing high for ES? Here. See what we do. It's not what I want to do. What's the heat map looking like? NVIDIA, I mean, we're down already. NVIDIA 2.7. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. NASDAQ down 0.13. Is this like updated? Just want to make sure. That's not like, oh, this is from yesterday. Yeah, I knew it. Damn. Okay. Okay. Walmart's down 4.6. All right. Pretty flat day. Amazon's down 1%. What's a 5 look like? All right, so ES hit that 15-minute swing high. Whatever, we'll have to see. What are we doing here? No, that's not what I want to do. I want to use a little trend line. probably give myself, what do you think? Yeah, I'd probably give myself one more try short if it were to present itself. I'd have to be careful about it getting bouncing in this area. This is pretty much like 50% or something, this move up. I have to watch that. If I were to like enter here or something, let's say if it broke this and went back up and I entered there, I'd have to be careful about, yeah, it bouncing here. But it doesn't even matter, I didn't do that yet. If it were to do that, it's like a much more reasonable stop too. So. Mhm. Let's see, and also if Nasdaq takes this out, then that idea is in the garbage basically, right? Nasdaq takes out 23,334. Yeah, back to the drawing board. Yeah, we'll see. I'm kind of visualizing that 15-minute, like the next 15-minute candle started here into this FEG, and like that could potentially just be coloring in that 15-minute. See how that goes. Like, yeah, this could just be coloring this in sporadically. You know, just wicks doing the damage. If the other way confirms, which I just realized it's like the low of this candle. I don't particularly love. I don't particularly love that either, but it's 10:22. Yeah, I wouldn't really touch it for shorts unless we came back with this. And the bulls could be right. I don't know. I just know that I mean, bulls even had a hard time today. Look at that. This got taken out again. This got taken out again. It's not too easy for either side. I took one trade, stopped out. Put my stop here. I mean, I'm totally fine with remaining cool during this like push back. 'Cause do you know how many times I've been on my stream I don't get stopped out by a tick, like, so I honestly just, you just disassociate a little bit when that happens. That's fine by me, because if it's like there's literally nothing for you to do and it's you just got on the trade, it's approaching your stop, you shouldn't be touching it. You put your stop there for a reason, right? So I literally just disassociate. And then that was a nice push back down. New low day. Maybe I should have been quicker about putting a stop lower or break even. I don't know. I was thinking we were gonna have a nice flush down on the 4 hour, so I'm not really mad about it. Right now, what do we do? We took out that's an SMT. Inversion happened. I don't really love it though. What happened on the hourly? We already took out previous hourly high, right? Yeah. I mean, yeah, there's not really much for me to do here. I'm looking to see if, maybe ES, like, if I'm looking at the 15, ES took out this 15-minute high. NASDAQ didn't yet. And I would, for more shorts, that's what I'm thinking about. The only way I would probably try to short again is if NASDAQ didn't reach this high and we broke lower. This is the 15. This is the hourly, like in the 15. But this 15-minute candle is looking really strong, so it doesn't really look to be that way right now. So I wouldn't really be messing around. And you could argue that these are equal highs up here, relative equal highs. So yeah, we'll mark that out. Sure. Where we got those equal highs. And ES, we got those equal highs. They're over here. I mean, that short is it is kind of risky if you're worried about those equal highs. I'm kind of not really, especially if this ends up not taking out this 15-minute swing high, especially if it closes below this too. To me, that's a pretty good, decent short idea. I don't know. Yeah. We'll see in the next 3 minutes what happens. I want to see how this closes. We'll see. Wait, what was that even there? Yeah. Next 3 minutes. Certainly looks like it's strong. So new high of day. Let's retrace to there. We basically broke over a new high of day and then use that. Can't be too much of a bear today, I guess. Let's see. It's looking mad strong. Broke new high of day again. 15-minute looks strong. There, it took that 15-minute swing high. So, I'm not going to try any shorts for sure before these equal highs are taken. Will I be able to find longs before those equal highs are taken? Not sure. Not sure. What is this red one? That's another 15-minute. Yeah. So that's an inversion. Another 15-minute inversion. Cool. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to find that. Just ran away. Never got back to even where I thought where it's like, oh, maybe if it retraces to there. No. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. What are we looking like on the 5? Pretty good. I think I've rebalanced everything. Left this 5-minute VG open down here. Yeah, what's the 15-minute look like now? It just closed, right? Oh, it looks super strong. Yeah, yeah. Which one's stronger right now? They're flat on the day. Like, I'm not worried about feeling any kind of FOMO or anything. I don't know. I mean, then you just gotta draw your fibs, to be honest with you. So I'm not chasing. I wouldn't really want to chase. Especially if it's against like my bias. All right, so what do I do here? I need to delete this green one. Delete this. I don't care if it takes that out. Delete that. Have my fib up. Put up a little 5-minute here. It's a 5-minute. Just 5 minutes here. I'd only want to short if we took equal highs and short after that. Yeah. Otherwise, I kind of think that it's just retracing. Give that SMT at the low. There's just no signs of weakness, really. Okay. M5. They're both flat. This on the 5. Yike. Alright, this is fine. I'm not trading you. Okay. This is on the 5 also. M5. Look at what happens during 1050 macro. I don't know. E, S, and NQ. They're so brothers and sisters again. They don't look terribly different. So that's good. It pretty much looks like a M5 like SMT and breaker. Basically right now I'm kind of just thinking about whether I even what are my thoughts for if it retraces there? Would I even want to go long? I would feel as though worried because of the way the trend is. It's not really a trend much today. I wouldn't want to be catching like a falling knife. I certainly wouldn't be just longing because I mean this is like 100-point stop. That doesn't make sense to me. I'm trying to figure out what a long would look like for me. I'm still like I still would just prefer equal highs get taken and short after that. Thinking about, yeah, I would need to see some sort of like another 1 minute shift after hitting like this level, or yeah, or maybe a small 1 minute SMT or inversion. Otherwise, it's going against my bias in the beginning of the day. And it's not really like price action is like terribly proven. Oh, your bias is wrong for shorts because I mean, look, today we're flat still, and it's not really much of a trend day. I'll look at the daily again for a second and the 4 hour. Basically, like one in doubt, look at that again. Yeah. Made a large wick there yesterday. All right. We're inside that wick. Like, this is not really a fun place to be. Let's see, and then the 4 hour. Come on, trading view. Don't be an ass. Okay. Yeah, this was, I mean, that's what I was looking for down here because this is a 4 hour BPR we never tapped into yet. Did not tap into it. I think it stopped a few points. So I was looking for more shorts there. But what can you do? I mean, you got this above, you got this below, you got this below. And you were still in this one too. Like, what do you visualize this 4 hour to do? We already went down here. And we took out previous low and high. I don't really see us making another low after retracing all of this again. But I mean, I think that whatever the price action is right now is probably what it's going to be. It's a high resistance day. So you have to be choosy.